guys, so today I'm doing a video, and if you remember and if you watch it, where I did show you a slime file, yeah, about the blue slime. So yeah, we have it right here. So it was a day ago, and we're gonna look if it changed it. Yeah, it looks kinda good and better. Oh, it's really cold. Well, it's actually not so bad. Actually, what's kind of cool is this. The texture is a little bit weird. It's kind of hard, but I like it. I don't know how I'm gonna do the poke. Yeah. The poke is a little bit hard. But I kind of like it actually. So when I was last day, well yesterday, I didn't know if the slime is gonna work, but actually right now I like it. It doesn't look like so much things, but if you're like stressed out, this is like good to squish. Like, I actually really like it. You can buy it, like if you're stressed, you can just buy this and make it. I don't know if I did something wrong. Maybe I did something wrong, but if you're like stressed, you need to get this. Like, I'm stressed actually a little bit. I love it actually. So yeah, I would give this a 10 out of 10. So yeah, you can buy it, the Nickelodeon slime. I don't think it's like bad. It's actually good. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Leave a like and comment down below which slime is better, my pink slime or this one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.